what is a block in Notion? So when you hear the word block in Notion, in its simplest form, it means it is a reusable piece of functionality. Basically, it's the core of Notion. So it's where all the utility lies with Notion. Every element you create in Notion, you use blocks. So in order to use a block in Notion, the easiest way is to type the symbol slash and you'll get options. And you'll see the word block here. You have basic, intermediate and advanced blocks. So simple things like text, a page and to-do lists. You have types of text, you have headings, you also have tables. If you create lists, Notion has a few types of lists you can create, 3 of them. You can quote, and there's also blocks that aren't purely utilitarian, but they're more aesthetic, like the divider, which is just a line that goes across the page, but it can be used to separate content on a page. You can also use AI. There's also media blocks, which lets you put different types of media, whether it be file types or links to other websites or just audio. You can also embed code and PDFs and things like that. Notion also has AI in it, which you can use if you want. And yeah, that's basically what a block is.